Ciao a tutti, benvenuti a Learn Italian Channel. Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Italian Channel. This is a free online Italian learning course for beginners. In the previous lesson you have learned telling the time. There was also a quiz. The question was, how do we say it is 7:15? A. Sono le 7:45. B. Sono le 7:15. C. Sono le 7:30. The correct answer is B. Sono le 7:15. In this lesson, you will learn some expressions to talk about the weather. Let's start. Please repeat after me. Che tempo fa? Che tempo fa? Che tempo fa? Che tempo fa means how is the weather? To answer this question, you can say, it is nice weather. Fa bel tempo. Fa bel tempo. Fa bel tempo. It is bad weather. Fa brutto tempo. Fa brutto tempo. Fa brutto tempo. It is warm. Fa caldo. Fa caldo. Fa caldo. It is cold. Fa freddo. Fa freddo. Fa freddo. It is sunny. È soleggiato. È soleggiato. È soleggiato. It is raining. Piove. 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 It snows. Nevica. 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 It is windy. Tira vento. Tira vento. Tira vento. Listen carefully to the following sentences. Che tempo fa oggi? How is the weather today? Fa brutto tempo. It is a bad weather. Che tempo fa da te? What is the weather like with you? Fa bel tempo. It is nice weather. Che tempo fa in primavera? What is the weather like in spring? Fa caldo e piove. It is warm and it's raining. Che tempo fa in inverno? What is the weather like in winter? Fa molto freddo e nevica. It's very cold and it snows. Let's see the summary of this lesson quickly. If you want to ask how is the weather, you say che tempo fa. To answer, you can say it is nice weather. Fa bel tempo. It is bad weather. Fa brutto tempo. It's warm. Fa caldo. It is cold. Fa freddo. It is sunny. È soleggiato. It is raining. Piove. It snows. Nevica. It is windy. Tira vento. Now I have a quiz for you. How do we say it is sunny? A. È soleggiato. B. Piove. C. Nevica. I will reveal the answer in the next lesson. In the meantime, you can write the answer in my Instagram account or in the comment box on my YouTube channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can also leave a comment there. My Instagram is learn_Italian20. Make sure to subscribe on my YouTube channel and on any podcast app. In the next lesson, I'm going to teach some idiomatic expressions with the verb avere. Grazie, a presto!